I think somebody's behind us. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Z, you're a burger guy. We know that. We know that you love burgers. And we know recently in a video, we found one of the top 5 burgers you've ever had in your life.
And if you guys don't know what he's talking about, make sure you go and click here.
Recently, I found a place in Mission Viejo called Hole in the Wall Burger, but you weren't there. Unfortunately, it was just Jake and I.
But you told me about that place, and guess what? I went there on my own, on my own time.
What'd you think?
And I gotta say, it's a mighty fine burger.
Was it better than Silverado Cafe's burger?
They were up there.
What if I told you a subscriber who watched those videos told me about a whole nother place, and he swears up and down, this is the spot. This is where it's going to be the end-all, be-all burger. And that's where we're going today. But first, let's go see Bob. Yeah, I'm super excited about the place we're going to today. I'll tell you a little bit more about it as we get going down the road, because we do have to hit some freeway, and freeways are boring. So I'll tell you about it then. Dude, it is a hot and humid day here in California. However, I know most of you guys watching this video probably under 5 feet of snow right now, so I'm not complaining. I'm just making an observation. Hello, Harley guys.
I can recognize you.
You think so?
On the Harley.
See that truck with the flames? Yeah, we're brothers. I think somebody's behind us. What's up, brother? How are you? Should we invite these dudes to lunch? Let's do it. What is this dude doing? I'm passing you, buddy. Well, hello. I haven't seen Bob in a bit, man. I got a bunch of stuff for old Bob. You know, key tags, stickers and stuff. All of which are available on my website at SuburbanDelinquent.com. Dylan.
Yeah.
Noah? Yeah. What's up, man? You look like a Noah.
Dylan? Noah.
You know, like the Ark?
Like the Ark.
So we're going to Oceanside. We're going to go to get this burger that's supposed to be end-all, be-all burger. You like cheeseburgers?
Yeah, I like cheeseburgers. I don't like cheese.
You want to come along?
Absolutely.
You don't like cheese?
Get the f*** out of here.
My treat, guys.
I'm down.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How you doing, Bobby? You got stuff for me? Because I got stuff for you. All right, what do we got? Ooh, there's stuff. Visine. All right, buddy. Just sticker. Put one there. Put a key tag in their other pocket here. We'll put this dude underneath your cock. Oh, we'll give your cock a ring. Huh. All right. Alright, no more screwing around. Burger time. To the white line? Alright. Oh, I spun the tire all the way through that intersection. That was bad. Let's pass this camera off, huh? You know what? This is a fine stretch of road to tell you about the place that we're going to today. Red Rooster in Oceanside. Red Rooster was established, I believe, sometime in the 60s. I'm gonna give some credit to the dude that brought this place to light. Sergeant Worm, man. One of you fellow watchers, YouTube commenter. That's where we're going today. Thanks, Mr. Worm. However, if this place sucks, it's on you. Now, this is a dive bar, man. I'm not even sure you can get in this place if you're under 21, so you might want to call ahead. But what put this place on the map in the burger department is a Rooster Burger. It's a half-pound burger outfitted with cheese, grilled onions, an Ortega chili, and rooster sauce. That's all I got, man. We're gonna let Z rate this one, man. Hopefully it's the best burger he's ever had, because that's what we like to do, man. We got the bar there, and we want to elevate it. What is this monstrosity? I think Z's gonna run out of gas. He had 4 bars of gas on that Triumph. Oh shit! Look at this wheel. What the hell did that come from? Oh, it came off that trailer. Z stopped, of course, because he's a good-natured human being. Oh man, that sucks. That could have been bad. Can you imagine getting hit by a rogue wheel? Dear Jesus. Yeah, dear Jesus. What? Look at this, dude. We got a tuna fish. Caught something there. Good for you, buddy. Z needs fuel. I knew it. I gotta go get some money. I think this is a cash only spot. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I've never seen anyone else really ripping these things, these clamps. God. Oh no! Oh, you do that? You're a dog. How gnarly was that tire?
Did you splash any for the homies?
A little bit, but I did it through the glove.
Oh, you did? Oh. They didn't have any hand sanitizer in there, so we're gonna clean the hands. Yeah. Was killed by a Porsche. Z soaked my glove in gas. Gotta let it dry. It's starting to sting my skin. This is us. Exit 52. Oh, you want to race the white line? Loser buys lunch. Yeah? Loser buys lunch.
I want to lose.
Home of the famous Rooster Burger. Yeah. of the famous Red Rooster Burger. What'd you think, man?
It was good. Really liked it. Say probably one of the top 10s that I've had.
Top 10 burger.
Yeah.
All right, where's number one?
I personally, I like In-N-Out the most.
In-N-Out, number one. All right, fair enough. Red Rooster.
That was good. I think it was good. It was just a really good barbecue burger. Like, if you like charred, it's a good barbecue.
How would you rank it? Top 5, top 10, top 20?
I would say it's the best backdoor barbecue burger I've had. Not in my top 20.
What's number one?
Number one, Islands Burgers.
Islands.
Yeah.
Interesting. All right, which one? Which one?
I get the Rincon, but it's not on the menu anymore.
Bummer. All right, Z. Really?
Okay, it was a fantastic burger, but I can't say it's the best. You can taste the coal, which is a good thing. You can taste the barbecue. Like, I loved it.
Top 10, top 20?
Top 10 for sure.
So how does this place rank versus Hole in the Wall or Silverado?
In-N-Out. Silverado. Hole in the Wall. And then...
A couple others than Red Rooster? All right. Right on, guys. Some cool dudes right there. We'll cross paths again, I know it.